Every year, new things break the ceiling, and so do the opportunities from tech companies. As the hiring grows, so does the competition. And today, we're going to discuss the key factors of the Flipkart Grid 5.0 competition. Grid is Flipkart's flagship engineering campus challenge, which provides you with the opportunity to apply your technical knowledge and skills to compete and complete key challenges. Flipkart ये competition 4 different categories में offer करती है, which are as follows. Number 1, Flipkart Grid Health Plus Track, which is the newest competition that has been added. Number 2, Flipkart Grid Robotics Challenge. Number 3, Flipkart Grid Information Challenge. And number 4, Flipkart Grid Software Development Track. Now, for all the 4 competitions, the eligibility criteria is the same. You can apply for the competition if you are a 2024, 2025, 2026 or a 2027 batch student who is studying BTech, BE or MTech from any engineering college in India. आपको as a team of 3 members register करना होगा and you need to make sure all of you belong to the same college. You can only participate in one team at a time, and this competition is going to have 3 elimination rounds, which are going to test you on your technical, analytical and ideation skills. The first level is the e-commerce and the tech quiz. You can expect questions related to recent tech advancements. इसके अलावा आपको fundamental questions related to server, operating systems, cyber security protocols, computer networks, data structure and algorithms and related topics पर questions मिलेंगे depending on what challenge you are participating in. Registered teams को ये quiz लेना mandatory है and you need to answer 30 questions in 30 minutes. It is not mandatory for all the team members to attempt the quiz round. Your team will be selected basis the average marks of the team members. In case 2 teams have got the same score and they are on a tie, and if your team finishes first, then you will be qualified to the next round. We strongly recommend you to check out this URL and go to this website, as it will help you prepare in a better way and increase your technology awareness. इस round का सबसे major part is your speed. How quickly are you able to get past to the next round, and that is going to decide अगर आप next round में qualify होगे या नहीं. The next level is submission of proof of concept. आपको एक problem statement दिया जाएगा according to the topic you have chosen, and the team will have only one problem statement to work on. You will be able to make submissions until the deadline for this level anytime during the challenge window. इस level में आपको अपना functional proof of concept demo video and code साथ में submit करना होगा, which will be the road to the next level, which is the national finale. Finalists will be invited to showcase their solutions to the panel of domain experts at Flipkart. And अगर आप तीनों levels को crack कर लेते हो, then you can land the opportunity to actually be hired by Flipkart and work with them full time. But besides this, it is important to understand that how can you prepare in the best way possible for this particular challenge. The most important level is definitely the first round, as speed is the most important criteria here, even more important than actually choosing the right answer. The next round is your idea presentation and how well you communicate and are able to present your thoughts. So be very clear and have indicative information. Practicing data structures and algorithms will be an added advantage during the interview round and throughout the process. The last and the most important part is team building. Even if you have got a good solution, it is important that you build the right team so that you have got great execution and presentation, and you're able to present your idea in front of the panelists in the best way possible, for which you need a good team. Once all the rounds are cleared, it is important to know that how will you actually land the job opportunity or that interview opportunity with Flipkart. If you clear the first round, it is possible that Flipkart may share the test link with you, or in another case, which is the best case scenario, अगर आपने तीनों rounds crack कर लिए हैं, then in that case, it is very much possible that Flipkart might just directly hire you without any assessment or test. On clearing all the rounds, you can expect an internship stipend worth 1 lakh rupees per month, or a full-time role with Flipkart, which will offer you a compensation of 32 lakhs per annum. The registrations have already started, and the last date to apply is 13th of July 2023 for this year's challenge. So hurry up and go apply. This is all with respect to the Flipkart Grid Competition 5.0. For more such informative videos, like, share and subscribe to the Grow Plus channel. We'll see you in the next video.